Okay, Elliot had some money, so he used 2/5 of his money to buy a bag. Okay, so he used 1/6 of his remaining money to buy a wallet. So in this case, this is remainder concept. What fraction of Elliot's money was used to buy the wallet? Okay, in this case, you want to use branching because branching will give you the answer faster, in my opinion. So this is remainder, which is 3/5, because 1 whole minus 2/5 is 3/5. Then you branch out again from the remainder. So 1/6 for the wallet and then 5/6 left. Okay, left. Okay, so to find the actual fraction of Elliot's money, there will be this part called the total fraction. So this is the one that we want to find. So it's just 3/5 times 1/6, because every branch is actually times in maths, and in fact this is also times. Of means times in maths. Okay, so we have cancel, we have 1/10. So this is the answer for part A, 1/10. Okay, so something happened later for parts B. Let me use another color, maybe purple. After that, his mother gave him $100. Okay, so there is a change here. A change here which after what is left, there is an addition of $100, and then it's being compared to what he had at first. Okay, so what he had at first is actually 10 units. But again, let us do a calculation here to make sure that all the denominator is 10, so that is consistent. Yeah, so in this case, let's treat it as all 10 units. So it's 10/10, and so this 10 units. Okay, so after that, okay, so in this case, I want to use model, so this is easier to see. So at first will be 10 units, right? And then something happened, and before that is actually 5 units. Yeah, so after adding an amount which is $100, this is after. Okay, this is before. So after adding $100, this will be $40 more. So you can see that there is this difference here, which is 5 units, and it's 100 minus 40, which is $60. Okay, so we know that 5U is $60, and 1U is actually 12. So how much did Elliot have at first? So Elliot has 10 units. So 10U is actually 12 times 10, which is 120, and this is the answer. Okay, so to do a recap, for this kind of case, you can see that it's actually this part will be under normal remainder concept. Yeah, is this part that is tricky, and in order to see clearly, you need to do an extension beyond the total fraction, which is what you have here. And many children told me that they do not know how to really use total fraction. Yeah, in fact, many of them told me that they were not taught. Yeah, so you want to make sure that your child really learn how to use total fraction, and actually it's quite simple. It's quite similar to pull down, and when you branch out, the of is actually times in maths, and just need to times this to this, and then you get the actual fraction, and then the rest is just mathematics.